Hey everybody, welcome to Highway 1 RC. Chris Vila, Nitro J650, and today this is the unboxing of the Snap-on TRX6. And Jay,
look what we got here. Amazing vehicle. It's actually one of our good friend Japri.
come on in, Japri.
He was nice
GP,
enough.
all right, welcome GP to the show. What's
Bring
up,
it to the
brother?
table for us and for y'all.
Oh man, this is a blessing, bro.
Come to the table.
Watch your step. No,
Yeah,
step in
okay.
the center. Come step in the center. You got this. This is all your. So check this out, you guys. We normally unbox stuff, and we saw this truck on JJ Customs unboxing, and we left a comment like, "Yo, we want to crawl it." And this is a Bay Area guy. We got in contact with him. He said, "Let's do this." He actually wanted us to do it with ourselves, but that takes all the fun out of it.
Yeah.
We're actually doing it with the man that owns this vehicle, man. And tell us about your product right here, man.
I've just always liked the limited edition stuff, so as soon as it got on sale, snapped it. No second thoughts.
Snapped
to.
it.
They're rare.
Snapped it perfect, yeah.
Rare rig right
It's a
here.
rare rig, yeah.
You could see the length compared to the stock TRX6 is completely different. Oh man, this thing is aggressive on every
Looks great.
level, right? Huh?
Yeah.
The body's bigger. The length is bigger.
Too. Wheelbase is bigger.
Wheelbase is the same width, but yeah, it's a lot bigger.
Yeah.
And I like the accessories. They went all out. I mean, Jay, tell us what you see, man.
It's a very nice, unique, original rig Traxxas put out with a great company, and we're definitely going to put it to the test and see its capabilities very soon here.
We gotta check it out, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty much, the electronics is all the same, huh?
It looks pretty much the same. Dave,
Got the mini
here.
servos in there,
I believe it's the same motor, 21 turn.
forward mount
Yep,
motor,
21
Go
turn.
forward one motor. XL5,
portal axles.
portal axles.
So with the light kit, the body,
Yeah.
and all these chrome accessories and massive
Bumpers.
bumpers.
Different
Dude, look at
wheels.
this light kit. Look at this. Yeah, Traxxas, Snap-on. This is one hell of a crawling machine right
And
here.
some special wheels for this baby.
Yeah.
Look
The
amazing.
tires still the same, and I like those tires actually.
Yeah.
They work
Yeah.
Good
great.
tires. They're great tires.
Look
I
good.
believe they're one of the best stock tires that come with RTRs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Trail Canyons was our original first, but then these ones kind of came, and they have changed the game.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are like the Trail Canyons, but there's just different similarities.
Inner
Yeah.
fender wells.
And they're
keep
sticky too.
everything
They're not
clean.
super hard.
Yeah.
They're sticky too.
Yeah, this is beautiful. So check this out, you guys. You know how we roll. We're about to go crawl this thing, but we're not just gonna crawl it just like this. Even though, look at this. Ooh,
Highway 1.
RC towing at your service. Jay, show them how we're gonna do this up a hill climb.
Ooh.
The little RJ
Yeah.
Speed Pro mod on the back.
But you better hook it up.
We better.
Whoa, don't worry, we're gonna look it up. Jay's gonna be looking in the back window the whole time at his Pro Mod. But I'm gonna tell you this,
Yeah.
we're about to trail this thing to its next test hit on the run.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, I'm super excited about doing this. But more than everything, we're super excited sharing this with you.
No
I mean,
problem,
you've been
man.
in the hobby
Anytime.
for about a year.
About a year, yeah.
And man, you already got comp bills going on. You're a G-Speed driver.
I'm a
Congratulations.
G-Speed driver, yeah. Thanks, man. Thank you, yeah.
NMP is also a G-Speed driver. Great
Right.
company. Nick's newest build is on a G-Speed frame. Actually, he stays building with the newest products coming out of there, huh, Jay?
Most definitely.
Yeah.
Always amazing builds that work and very capable. And
His
very
stuff
great
is
product.
great. He just touch it and it's different.
Nick's amazing.
Nick's is amazing. NMP, you call them guys?
NMP, Nick Moore
Nick Moore
Performance.
Performance. Okay, I've heard of it, yeah.
There's a new one he's working on.
Oh yeah, that's still in progress. Yep. It's the Vanquish Ripper,
Yeah, the Ripper.
number 97.
Only, you said 300 made, huh?
150.
150.
150. Yeah.
All aluminum paneled,
Yeah,
the plastic.
they're I think lasered out of a single 100-pound
curry.
aluminum
Yeah,
block.
isn't that crazy?
That's
Axles.
crazy.
Just to
That's
waste that
crazy.
much aluminum for that. That's crazy.
Well, that's art.
Yeah,
That's
it's
art,
no,
right?
that's why
That's innovation.
That's why you like it, because it's art.
Exactly,
I've actually got to see
exactly.
this at Axial Fest in 2018. They actually had a Ripper run,
Yep.
Okay.
and they had
okay.
about, I believe, 7 out there or 8. But man, like you said, this is pure art. We have a friend, Mike, out in San Francisco who has one too.
Okay. Okay.
Beautiful truck, man.
Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah. The workmanship is just great, man. The lines, the feels, it just amazing. The first time I saw it, It's mesmerized.
Yeah.
Just like this one.
I can't wait till you get it built because we're gonna crawl it.
It's got weight.
Oh,
to
we
it.
will. Oh, we will. Yeah.
But speaking of Nick Moore Performance, Nick Moore hooked up. This is the brass fits he uses on his TRX4 builds, and there's a set in here for you.
Great. Thanks, man. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Really
You're welcome.
appreciate
Hey,
it.
man,
Thank
we
you.
just
Thank you.
appreciate you
Yeah.
coming out and having fun with us. But more than that, I want to ask you, what got you into this hobby, man?
I mean, I've been driving sand bashing all the time. I grew up in Dubai, so I grew up in that exotic car world. I always liked cars, and then SUVs were my favorite, like Nissan Patrols and the Land Cruisers 2000 early models.
Yep.
And Land Cruiser 2009 and 2010. Personally, having owned one, this is a great feeling to have those. And so that's just I'll try to replicate here. So in future, I will have a Nissan Patrol coming out soon on a G-Speed.
Ooh.
Chassis.
Why are you giving out all this juice? You got your
That's
Ripper,
good,
your
man.
Snap-on, and your Patrol.
That's what they keep you watching, man.
There you go.
That's to keep the fun coming back.
What was your first rig into the game?
Gen 8.
Wow,
Red Cat
nice.
Gen 8.
Okay.
I still have that. That's a tow truck now. It's pulling truck actually. Not a tow truck.
Toe pig.
Tow pig.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool.
So Gen 8, and where'd you go from there?
Gen 8, I got a, I believe that was a Toizuki, and then converted to
Big
2.5 kit. Exactly.
Big jump.
I was crawling with the Diablo guys, and they everybody, you know, all
Shout out Diablo
LCG,
crawlers.
LCG. So, and then I met Gabe, Lance, Steven,
Yeah.
Steven Lancaster, a
He's
guy
actually
from
from
here,
Pacifica.
from Pacifica, yes. So they all hooked me up. They told me, dude, you gotta try this. So from Toizuki, I jumped to, I got a, what is it? Triple C Hill Climber, Hill Killer, sorry. Triple C Hill Killer V2. Then I went G-Speed. Those rigs are just amazing. And
Yeah.
the way they work, the way their geometry set up, they're just amazing.
Man, you built a collection real quick.
Oh yeah.
That's acceleration.
That is very good. And that's great because you actually got to see the difference between products and the difference between
Exactly,
articulation.
exactly.
What can go where,
Right.
what can't.
Quality.
RC four-wheel drives, did we mess with those yet?
No, not yet. I haven't. I thought of buying the TF2 Marlin, but no, I've been so busy with the com crawlers and stuff.
Yeah.
So, heading for
Should get
nationals
one
now.
now.
So I've been busy with that.
No, you know what? The comp scene in the Bay Area is very gravitating to.
Right,
you
right.
know? But today with us, we're going to be doing trail running.
Trail running.
We're
yeah.
trail running, just
Yeah.
like how the last when you came and hung out for STP.
STP, yeah.
That's how we run.
Yeah.
But we ain't just gonna hit any trail.
The special one.
We're gonna hit one of them ill
Oh
trails.
man.
Uh-oh. Put this on the back.
I want you to, if you ever catch me like this, I want you to catch, we're gonna catch GP like that today, like this.
Yeah.
It's all on the line. Ooh, I'm excited. Yeah, man, that's beautiful to hear that like in a year you were able to just get on it, get the comp scene, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
This, I mean, there's a lot of things you've done in the last year that's amazing, man.
Definitely.
It's great. It's great. I want to welcome you to the Bay Area
Thank you, man. Thank
crawling
you.
community because it's fun.
It is definitely fun, and everybody's supporting of each other. I've seen you guys around at Highway 1 RC doing stuff around here. It's just great. You guys help each other out here.
Hell yeah.
Promoting the hobby and getting new guys into it like me.
We're trying.
It's great.
We're trying.
It's great.
And like we're trying to show everyone in the Bay Area there's just more than your backyard. We got
Oh yeah.
Dean Hollow. How'd you like that?
Oh, that's one of my favorites.
Yes.
That's actually where I met you at.
Exactly.
So,
That's where Jay and first time met.
favorite
Yeah.
place to crawl.
You crawled in our hometown. What do you think of Mount Diablo?
That's my second favorite.
Uh-huh.
Have you had a
Great
chance to go
place.
up the Highway 1 run yet?
No.
All right. So you know what that means? We're gonna do 2 runs.
Two
we're gonna
runs.
run in Pacifica, and then we're gonna catch this guy. And we're gonna run again in Mount Diablo.
Yeah.
How's that sound?
Sounds perfect.
All right. Like let's
Sounds
let's
amazing.
stop talking. We'll see you next week when we hit the trail.
All right. See you guys. Yeah.
Mhm.
All right.